Welcome to explanation video in which we will show how the inducement is formed. In order to understand the inducement concept, please have a look at the previous video with a valid pullback explanation. Let's get started. What would be an inducement? Inducement is the last price pullback in the market structure. It is also known as the area and the specific point that prompts traders to buy or sell. Couple of examples will be taken to show how inducement is forming and shifting to further points. First, we're going to show it with a line chart for more simpler explanation. Let's say we start with the bullish pullback. If you want to learn how to identify a valid bullish pullback, you can refer to our video What is a valid pullback? As the price goes down, a bearish pullback line is forming for a short period. Further, as the price goes up, it creates again bullish pullback, and at the very moment, the price goes above the highest point from previous bullish pullback. Now, the lowest point from last valid pullback becomes our inducement. Notice, when the market trend is bullish, inducement is forming beneath the market trend line. With further price rising and forming of a valid pullbacks, inducement is shifting to the last price pullback. In next example, it will be shown how the principle is applied on bearish market trend. Now we are starting with bearish pullback. As the price goes up, a bullish pullback is forming for a short period of time. Further, as the price goes down, it creates again a bearish pullback, and at the very moment, the price goes below the lowest point from previous bearish pullback. Now, the highest point from the last valid pullback becomes our inducement. Notice, when the market trend is bearish, inducement is forming above the market trend line. With further price drop and forming of a valid pullbacks, inducement is shifting to the last price pullback. Let's switch to the chart to see real-life examples. We see bullish candles printing and we are waiting for the first inducement to be created. Now we have got our first inducement as the candle closed above the previous higher high point. Inducement is formulated at the end of the last valid pullback. As the candles continue to print, we have again valid pullback and the inducement has been shifted to the new location. Once again, a short valid pullback has been created, as the highest point has been broken by the latest candle. Shift of the inducement is noticeable. As you can see, the basic principle is easy to understand. In this case, inducement will keep shifting until the price level drops below the inducement price. At that point, we can say that inducement is swept and we need to wait for new inducement to be created. Thank you and good luck to everybody!